Our motto at Service Plus Assist: keep the customer in the green zone. Here we support you not only with assembly and installation plans, but also with commissioning of lighting controls, or with the maintenance of our Dialock locking system. But let's have Ms. Yumurtachi tell us a little bit more about that.
With pleasure. For electronic locking systems, for example in hotels, permanent functional reliability and availability is an essential factor. That is why we have to put together customized maintenance packages for our Dialock system, from preventive on-site maintenance to round-the-clock service 7 days a week. A worldwide network of Dialock experts is on standby to ensure smooth operations of the systems at all times, so that you and your customers can sleep soundly. By the way, this all-round carefree package can also be extended to your light solutions equipped with Häfele products, so that you are always in the right light with your customers.